Hi, this is James from Cold Air Inductions. Today we'll be installing an Elite Series cold air induction system on a 2015 GMC Yukon. Here are the tools required for this installation. Ratchet, extension, 10mm, 13mm, 2.5mm Allen wrench, 5/16 nut driver, T10 Torx Driver.
Turn off the ignition. Let the engine cool before installation. Disconnect the negative battery cable with the 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove diagonal brace using 13mm socket and ratchet. Loosen screws from clean air duct resonator with 5/16 nut driver. Unclip PCV fitting from valve cover. Remove clean air duct resonator from vehicle. Disconnect MAF sensor. Remove MAF wire harness from the air induction housing. Remove OEM air induction housing. Make sure grommets are intact in the grommet holes on the vehicle. Using a 10mm ratchet and socket, unscrew one nut and one bolt. Remove OEM overflow coolant bottle and place near valve cover out of the way. Place the factory air induction housing on workbench. Remove the MAF sensor by removing the tube screws holding it in place on the air induction housing with the T10 Torx Driver. Take care not to damage the sensor as you will reinstall in the Performance MAF tube. Remove the factory rubber mounting pad. Remove button head cap screws on the Performance MAF tube with the 2.5mm Allen wrench. Important, leave plastic insert inside of the tube and align holes where the MAF sensor will be placed. Install MAF sensor into Performance MAF tube. Replace 2 button head cap screws. Tighten 2.5 foot-pounds. Remove cover from the Performance air induction housing with a 3mm Allen wrench. Remove the protective film over the glass. Install the factory rubber mounting pad onto the Performance air induction housing. Install Performance air induction housing into vehicle, making sure the rubber mounting grommets slide into the grommets on vehicle. Reinstall the coolant reservoir. Install inlet duct onto throttle body. Connect both PCV tubes onto inlet duct and valve cover. Insert tube into inlet duct and leave all connections loose. Insert filter element onto MAF tube. Tighten the clamp on filter element with a 5/16 nut driver. Align MAF tube and coupler, then tighten both hose clamps using 5/16 nut driver. Attach the cover to Performance air induction housing using the 3mm Allen wrench. Gently push and turn the fasteners, a quarter turn only. Reconnect MAF sensor. Reinstall the diagonal brace using the 13mm socket and ratchet. Reconnect battery terminal with 10mm socket and ratchet. Slowly lower your hood and check for clearance. Time for a test drive.
This concludes the installation. Please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.